What's up, everybody? We're going to be doing a quick update here on the green WRX. Let me just swap it. There we go. Quick update. We are about to start working on this car finally. We got enough parts in that we can keep busy for months and months here. The LS motor on the stand there, we're ready to start tearing that rest of that apart and get everything cleaned up, get the blocks sent off and the heads sent off to the respective shops to get dealt with, because we are looking for roughly 500 horsepower NA. We're going to mate that to a Nissan 6-speed transmission. If anyone out there knows where there's one available for not an outrageous price, let me know. We are probably going to be repainting this because there are some blemishes in the paint that I don't feel can be repaired. And a fresh respray. The hood definitely needs to be redone. I have tried to cut, polish, and even sand, and there's just some stuff. The clear coat is, yeah. So full LS swap, 6-speed transmission. We're probably gonna go with a built STI rear end on it because of the bolt-in factor, pretty much. We are gonna be doing the brakes on this car. Those ridiculous one-off set of work rims with custom staggered offset to fit in this wide body. They are getting restored. I've got big plans for this front bumper. This entire engine bay is going to be gone over. We're going to be pulling out that all-wheel drive system. We're going to be pulling out that ridiculously beautiful downpipe and exhaust. I might not be someone who wants that. I am throwing the idea around of putting this car on air ride because we will be taking this car back to California in 2025. The car is an American car, originally from Vegas, but it's a former TEAM Hybrid show car. Hugely successful back in the day, from maybe about 2007, 2008 to about 2012, before the car went completely off the map. And then, yeah, long story how it ended up in my hands. It's actually my wife's car. It ended up in her hands. But we'll get into all that later. We're going to do a full history of this car, all the shows and everything that's won in the past and that. But a lot of things going on with this car. Some of the stuff we got for it, JB's Power Center, we got these from them out in Alberta. Check them out, JB's Power Center, great company. They do not sponsor us, but they gave us a smoking deal on these seats. My wife absolutely loves them. They are comfortable, they are tight, so if you do end up getting a set of energy seats of any kind, make sure you get them the right size, because I'm not going to fit into these too well. The beauty, though, is this right here, tssfab.us. Check out the website. They have anything you would need or want for Subaru suspension, motor swaps, engine cradles, subframes, rear subframes, tubular suspension. It's all there. Exhaust bypass. We got a couple of those that are going into the car. Some, yeah, wait do you hear this thing when it's done. Mishimoto does sponsor the car. They hooked it up big time. Excellent company. Their products are phenomenal. Love this radiator. Can't wait to throw that in there. That's going to help keep that LS cool. Don't think we're going to have any issues. They also hooked up with the fan shroud as well. It's in the box over there. Yeah, Mishimoto used to sponsor this car back in the day. I called them up, sent them some emails. They got back to me right away, actually, and said, yeah, welcome back to the team. So definitely Mishimoto all the way. Love those guys. Interior of this car is in great shape. We're going to be taking everything to the next level. We are going to maybe do Lambo doors just because of the old school factor, and you know, I just love them. I'm old school. The fully stitched pink floor mats, all fitted to the car, front and rear. There's that other seat. We're going to be definitely going to a quick release steering wheel. We're probably going to be redoing the whole interior in carbon. Headliner is already in suede. It's absolutely gorgeous, but we are going to be potentially redoing the color on these suede pillars as well. Car currently sits on Helix adjustable coilovers. I might rebuild them, but if I can get someone to hook up a smoking deal on an airlift system for this car, I would definitely like to go air ride, or an airlift performance system. S202 front end. Absolutely beautiful car. Yeah, like, subscribe, check us out. We are going to be doing a massive build to get this car ready for Team Hybrid's 30th anniversary next year, and we're going to bring the car out to California and Vegas for SEMA. Awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.